Can garlic be started in a flower pot and transplanted into the ground? This is Tony on YouTube. So what do you think about that? That's an interesting question.
It is an interesting
Yeah,
question.
isn't it good? Yeah.
But yes, of course. Of course you can. And the only thing is, if depending on what the size of pot is, if he gets roots that are circling, just break up the roots to make sure they stop that circling when you plant it in the ground.
Right, yeah, so that's the only question I would have. Yeah, make sure you have a big enough pot.
Yeah.
And, plant it at the right depth, right, in the pot. And then, of course, when you transplant into the ground, you want to make sure you get as much of those roots out of the pot as you possibly can.
Yeah.
Before you get it in the ground.
Yeah.
All right, good drainage, good organic material. So, Tony, yeah, go ahead and do that. Yes, is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.